Welcome to CodeLearn Developer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of design thinking. Today, we'll explore the 5 essential stages that form the backbone of this innovative problem-solving approach. From understanding user needs to prototyping and testing solutions, we'll uncover the secrets behind crafting meaningful and impactful designs. So, grab your creative hats and join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of design thinking. Let's get started. Welcome to our exploration of the 5 stages of design thinking, a journey through structured problem solving and innovation. In this visual guide, we'll delve into each stage, understanding its essence and significance in crafting meaningful solutions. Our journey begins with empathize, a stage where designers dive deep into understanding the needs, motivations, and experiences of users. It's more than just gathering data, it's about empathizing with the people we design for, seeing the world through their eyes, and feeling what they feel. In the define stage, designers synthesize the insights gathered during empathize to define the problem statement or challenge. This critical step lays the foundation for innovation by establishing a shared understanding of the problem space among team members and stakeholders. Ideate is where creativity flourishes. Designers generate a myriad of creative ideas and potential solutions, pushing the boundaries of conventional thinking through brainstorming sessions, mind mapping, and other divergent thinking techniques. The prototype stage is where ideas come to life. Designers transform selected concepts into tangible prototypes or mock UPS, allowing for feedback and iteration to refine designs before significant resources are invested in development. Testing is crucial to validate assumptions and ensure effectiveness. Designers gather feedback from users and stakeholders, identifying usability issues and validating ideas through iterative refinement in the test stage. Imagine you've been tasked with designing a user interface for a mobile banking app. Your goal? To create an experience that not only meets users' needs but also delights and empowers them on their financial journey. As you embark on this mission, you begin with the empathize stage, the foundation of understanding. Picture yourself immersing in the lives of your users, from college students managing tight budgets to retirees navigating retirement funds. Through interviews, observations, and empathy-building activities, you gain insights into their financial struggles, aspirations, and pain points. In the define stage, armed with empathy and understanding, you distill your findings into a clear problem statement. Users need a mobile banking app that simplifies financial management and provides personalized insights. With this laser-focused direction, you set the stage for innovation to flourish. Now comes the ideate stage, the playground of creativity. Picture yourself brainstorming ideas with your team, sketching out concepts, and exploring innovative features. Perhaps you envision a seamless budgeting tool that categorizes expenses or a personalized savings planner that nudges users towards their financial goals. With divergent thinking techniques, you push the boundaries of conventional banking, aiming to create an experience that feels intuitive and empowering. As ideas take shape, you transition to the prototype stage, the realm of tangibility. Picture yourself crafting prototypes and mock UPS, translating abstract concepts into interactive designs. From wireframes to clickable prototypes, you bring your ideas to life, allowing users to visualize and interact with the future of mobile banking. But the journey doesn't end there. In the test stage, you embark on a quest for validation. Picture yourself conducting user testing sessions, observing how users navigate the app, and collecting feedback. Does the interface resonate with users? Is it intuitive and user-friendly? Through iterative refinement, you fine-tune your designs, ensuring they meet the evolving needs and expectations of your audience. And so, our story comes full circle as you reflect on the significance of the 5 stages of design thinking. By embracing empathy, defining problems, generating ideas, prototyping solutions, and testing assumptions, you create a mobile banking app that not only meets users' needs but also transforms their financial experience for the better. The 5 stages of design thinking provide a structured framework for problem solving and innovation. By embracing empathy, defining the problem, generating ideas, prototyping solutions, and testing assumptions, designers can create impactful solutions that resonate with users and address real-world challenges. Let's embark on this journey together, shaping the future through thoughtful design and creativity. Thank you for joining us on CodeLearn Developer. Today, we've explored the 5 stages of design thinking. From empathizing with users to prototyping solutions, we've uncovered the secrets of impactful design. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials. Thanks again for watching.